Shenzhen YongZhiGao Electronics Company Limited has founded in 2008. YongZhiGao specializes in car electronics products, including 7, 9, 10-inch car radio, car DVD player, car multimedia system, car MP5 player, etc. With over 12 years' experience in car DVD player industry, YongZhiGao has provided multiple mainboard solutions and models to fit overseas market. YongZhiGao high-quality products are transported to North American, Europe, North Asia, Middle East, and other areas all over the world. Some of our customers are met in over 50 exhibitions we attended in Hong Kong, China, Shenzhen, China, India, etc. in the last 10 years. Some are recommended by friends and some are known by online platform. From all clients' feedback, it's known that they are all satisfied with our long-term partnership and reliable after-sales service. Production procedures include 13 steps, starting from SMT to package. As what you see, there are different kinds of strict testing in every step for quality control. YongZhiGao People has over 30 members who have built several professional teams: sales team, administrative team, R&D team, and manufacture team. In 2021, there will be more YongZhiGao People and keep faith to improve product quality and service. Aiming to be a leading company in car multimedia system manufacture industry and then gathering global customers together, YongZhiGao hopes to be helpful in your business. Welcome to join us, and YongZhiGao will be your nice partner and friend.